Whoa! Look at it! It's raining so hard. Look at this. Average Filipino weather. Yo! Whoa! 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 Lakas! That's how powerful this is. This is how. Oh, lightning! This is how strong the storm here is in the Philippines. Holy crap! That's how strong it is. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa! Oh shit! Oh shit! Dude, the rain's so strong! Whoa! Look how strong it is. That's what it is. Oh! Whoa! 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 Wait, actually, it's so stupid hard. Whoa! This is average Filipino weather. There's not even a typhoon here. This is how strong the rain is. Whoa! Look, it's flooding. Look, it's flooding. It's flooding everywhere. Holy crap. Look, my legs are wet. The boil. Oh my god. Whoa! Let's get a closer look. Whoa! Wait, I'm getting wet. I'm getting wet. This is how strong it is. Whoa! Wait, I need to get something. Continue recording! Just turn on the Christmas lights for more light. In this whole channel, this is the strongest storm. Look, it's currently flooding everywhere. Whoa! This is from the Philippines. Whoa! Whoa, I'm getting wet. Look at the drainage. Look at the clouds. Ang galing. Oh! Whoa! Lakas po siya. Yet I'm still standing. Oh! Whoa! I'm going back. Getting stronger. Yeah, this is normal. Broke my headphones. Whoa! Wait. The flashlight is off. Whoa! Turning on the light so you can see. Yep, that's rain for you. That's rain. I have no editing budget. No AdSense. No nothing. So, up this. Whoa. Whoa. Look at this. The whole thing is wet. Including the cardboard. Whoa. I'm not going out. I'm not going to the room. But I'm getting closer. Going backwards is so strong. Whoa! The time is only just 5:53 p.m. And I'm warning you again that this is not a typhoon or a tornado. This is a regular Philippine storm. It's just lightning. It will burst. Oh. Whoa! 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 I must go inside. Wait. Other angle. Whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Okay, long kid out. Must close the door.